Hello guys, this is EC Longa 1435 here, first video, and today is the Kansas and Missouri tornado drill. In 1 minute from now, it's 14:29 Eastern and 1:29 p.m. Central Standard Time. So this is KID 77 in Kansas City, Missouri that I'm listening to right now. The tornado drill should be in the next 5 minutes. Just waiting. It's now 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Let's see on weather.gov. Yeah, probably that. You can see severe thunderstorm warning right now. This is in effect in parts of Alabama because there's 2 warnings right now. Oh, and there comes the drill, I think. Well, that certainly was close to a double header.